Hi guys, and welcome back to Simply Forex, the channel dedicated to you, the trader. We want you to be successful in the markets. So guys, I'm going to give you some gold every day. I'm going to let you know which currency pairs I'm looking to trade and which direction. And I'm also going to let you know which news that you must be aware of. So let's take a look at the chart and what I'm potentially going to trade today. Good morning, traders. It is Friday the 13th of May. Friday the 13th. What could possibly happen today? So guys, as usual, we're going to look back at yesterday's trades. We're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. Before we start all that, guys, leave a comment. Let me know how your trading week has been. Let me know what part of the world you're from, and let me know if you've got any questions that you need help with regarding your trading. All right, so yeah, leave a comment. Right guys, so recap of yesterday. We've had two potential trades from yesterday. The first one is this. This is the Aussie dollar against the Canadian dollar. All right, so it was in an uptrend. Yeah, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. But then these lows here broke. Okay, they broke, retested that low, and then it's been in a downtrend ever since. All right. Okay, let me zoom in a bit so you can see more clearly. Yeah, so we were trading off of this candle, guys. Yeah, so price was still in a downtrend. This candle is very bearish. This large wick tells me, you know, price is being forced down lower. And also the close of this candle breaks the low of this doji. All right, so for all these reasons, we were shorting this market. All right, we're shorting it down to this blue line. As you can see, it hit that. And then this blue line as well, which it also hit. Okay, so direction was good once again, but let's see if we could get in on this trade, guys. All right, so let's look at H1. And as you can see, guys, I got in on this trade, but let me explain how, because it didn't come up. Yeah, in an ideal world, it would come up into the grey zone, which offers us excellent value. We could get in and we could trade back down. Okay, but that didn't happen, as you can see. All right, but what did happen, guys, was these lows here, which price was bouncing off, finally broke. Yeah, these candles here broke these lows. All right, now I'm going to show you the H4 candle as well. Okay, so those candles there correspond, with this H4 candle here. Okay, so everything about this H4 candle tells me price is coming down lower. Okay, so if we go back to the H1, okay, so yeah, these candles form the H4. So all I wanted was a retrace back to these lows here. Okay, so I just wanted price to come down, retest, and then I'm looking to take price back down. This is a very common pattern in the market, guys. What was once support, yeah, breaks, then price comes back up, and then it becomes resistance. This is a very tradable, profitable pattern in the markets, okay? So this is exactly what I did. As soon as price come back up into this zone here, yeah, round about here, I entered the trade. The problem here is I have to put my stop above here. Yeah, this is the last, here is the last H1 swing high. Okay, so this is what I am risking. Okay, but obviously I'm willing to take it all the way back down to this blue line. All right, which offers me a lot more, about 1 to 1.5 risk to reward. Okay, so I entered the trade here, put my stop here. I closed the trade around 1:1. Yeah, I closed 80% around here. And then I let my last 20% just run those few extra pips. And I closed all of the trade at this higher time frame blue line. All right, guys. So yeah, quite an aggressive trade, but the H4 candle gave me the impetus to take this trade. All right, I just waited for a retrace, got some value, entered, and then price come back down. Okay, guys, so yeah, I took this trade, profitable trade. Yeah, happy with the Aussie dollar CAD yesterday. Perhaps you got in on a similar trade. Please let me know. Next one, guys, was this. This was the pound against the Japanese yen. All right. And again, we were shorting this because price had come up. Yeah. Come back and tested these lows here. Yeah, tested these lows. All right. But then this candle eventually broke these lows. So now we have lower highs and now we've got lower lows. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, off this candle, we were just trying to take price back down to this blue line. And as you can see, guys, that happened and some. Yeah, because of the indices dropping, the yen got strength. Yeah, I've explained that before. The yen is a flight to safety currency. Okay, so, but let's see if we could get in on this trade, guys. All right. And unfortunately, you know, I couldn't. All right, so by the time I got up was around, yeah, around here. I got up around this time and the trade had already gone. Yeah, I'd missed this trade. Yeah, no problem. Sometimes this will happen, guys. You'll wake up and the trade has already gone. Okay, so yeah, no problem. Yeah, I just couldn't get into this trade for that reason. All right. So yeah, I wanted price to come back up into here before it dropped down to here, but price was already down here by the time I woke up. All right, guys, so I didn't have a trade on the pound yen yesterday. Okay, maybe you did. If you did, let me know. All right, guys, so those were the two trades from yesterday. Let's look at today's potential trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed yesterday's recap, then please smash the like button. Yeah, help support the channel and please subscribe. Come join us. We would love to have you on our channel. Right, guys, we've got 4 potential trades for today. The first one is this. This is the US dollar against the Japanese yen. Okay, so price was clearly in an uptrend. Yeah, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, but then it didn't create a higher high. And if you remember, guys, every time a new high isn't created, this tells me that price is breaking down. Okay, and then sure enough, yeah, this low here has been broken. Yeah, with this candle. Okay, so we are now in a downward structure. Yeah, we have lower lows. Okay, and this candle is bearish. Yeah, quite bearish, a little bit of a wick, but bearish enough for me to consider taking shorts on this market. Okay, so the idea is just to take price back down to this blue line, which is these last lows over here. All right, so we're just looking to short this pair. Let's look at H1 now for execution. So what we want to see, guys, yeah, is price retrace up into this grey zone. All right, then we want to see a bear, which corresponds with these lows here. Yeah, this area of resistance. Yeah, so a bearish candlestick pattern form in this grey zone. That's our trigger to enter. We enter the trade. Yeah, we close 80%. I would aim for this 128 level. Yeah, close 80% at this level, and then leave 20% to run down to our higher time frame target. All right, guys, so US dollar Japanese yen short. Okay, next one is this. This is the Aussie dollar against the Japanese yen, and we're also looking to short this. Yeah, okay, so let's take a look at this chart. So as you can see, guys, in an uptrend, okay, and then bang, okay, breaks this low and even this low. All right, so structure is now in a downtrend. It came up, it formed a lower high, and then it shot back down. Okay, I wasn't sure what it was going to do at this level, yeah, but it broke this level. And then yesterday we had this very bearish candle form. All right, guys, so the idea is just to take price back down to this blue line here, this blue higher time frame target. Let me show you why that is my target. If I zoom out, my big fat head is always in the way these days. I apologize. But it basically corresponds with these last highs over here. So we just want to take price back down because this area here could become an area of support. All right, so shorting the Aussie dollar Japanese yen. Let's look at H1 for execution. Okay, so yeah, price, looking for price to come back up to this grey zone. Yeah, we want to see a bearish candlestick pattern form, enter the trade, take price back down to these last lows here. Again, I'd probably aim for this psychological level, close 80% of the trade, and then leave 20% to run down to our higher time frame target. Okay, next trade is this. This is the Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen. I don't know if you've noticed something about all the trades today, but yeah, all yen strength. Yeah, and it's no coincidence, guys. The indices are falling. The yen is a flight to safety currency. So the yen gathers strength as the indices drop. Okay, and we are seeing that across all of the yen pairs. Okay, I could have traded most of the yen pairs, but I didn't for certain reasons, and I'll show you an example later. All right, but yeah, I'm happy to trade this one, Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen. Again, similar scenario to all the other yen pairs. Yeah, in an uptrend. Yeah, in an uptrend. This low broke yesterday with this candle here. Okay, so, and again, as you can see, guys, it didn't form higher highs, which is always a good indication that the chart could be reversing. All right, and sure enough, it does. Yeah, it breaks this low, very bullish candle. I just want to take price back down to these lows here. All right, okay, so let's look at H1 for execution. So guys, we want to take price back up to this grey zone. We want to see a bearish candlestick pattern form. Okay, and then we're going to enter the trade, take price back down to these lows here. Again, I would aim for this psychological level, close 80%, and then leave 20% to run down to our higher time frame target. All right. The fourth trade for today, you've guessed it, it is a Japanese yen pair. So yeah, the fourth one is this, the Swiss franc against the Japanese yen. So again, clearly in an uptrend, price came tumbling down, broke these lows here. So we have lower lows, yeah, okay, and then we've got lower highs, okay, all right, and we had this candle a few days ago that broke these lows, all right, and we've got this candle from yesterday. Yeah, super duper bearish. Okay, so we're just trying to take price back down to this blue line here. Okay, let me show you why this blue line. Again, my big fat head is in the way, but again, yeah, this high over here, because once it comes down to here, guys, it could offer support here. All right, so we're shorting this market. Let's look at H1 for execution. So guys, yeah, okay, we've got a couple of ideas here. So price could retrace up to this grey zone, all right? And then we can enter the trade once we see a bearish candlestick pattern, and then we can take price back down to these lows, all right? Close 80% of the trade and leave 20% to run, okay? If that happens, great, wonderful, amazing, all right? But in reality, this pair has quite a large retrace to get to this grey zone, all right? And the daily candle is super bearish. So what you might see is price get up to here, and then we'll see a bearish candlestick pattern. Okay, so if this happens, we could get in on this trade. It's a little bit more aggressive, but still realistic, yeah? So price comes back up, we get a bearish candlestick around this area, but again, we do the same. Yeah, we enter, we close 80% of the trade at these lows, and then take 20% down to our higher time frame target. Okay, this goes for all the yen pairs I'm looking at today. You might get a bearish candlestick pattern happen before it enters our grey zone. All right, so yeah, keep an eye out for that, guys. As I said, guys, I could have entered most yen pairs. All right, but let me show you an example of one I didn't enter. Okay, so I didn't enter this. This is the euro against the Japanese yen. All right, so another yen pair. Yeah, all the yen pairs are shooting down. Okay, but I mean, look at this bearish candle. Okay, normally I'd have no problem shorting something off this candle. Yes, broke these lows, okay, but the problem is I'm seeing this, yeah, this area here, from here, yeah, and here is a potential area of support. Okay, so you know, remember I always say crazy people sell into support, sell into support or buy into resistance. Don't do that. Okay, so the euro yen, this is a reason why I didn't take this trade. Okay, I just wanted to show you that, guys. Right, so yeah, they're the 4 potential trades for today. Let's take a look at the news now. Guys, if you're enjoying this daily morning analysis and would like to receive it every single morning, Monday to Friday, then please subscribe to the channel and smash that notification button. That way you'll receive an alert every single morning and won't miss a single morning analysis. All right, guys, so go ahead and do that. So news for Friday the 13th of May. Surprisingly, guys, there is no big news to speak of. Yeah, look, if we scroll down, there's no 3-star ratings that we're interested in today. Okay, so you can trade freely today. This is wonderful. Right, guys, so yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the vid. If you have, please subscribe, like and share with your trader friends. I hope you have a great trading day and a great end to the week and a lovely weekend, and I'll catch you up on Monday. All right, see you later, guys.